So if you already have a trading audience through YouTube, Discord, Prop community, or Telegram, whatever audience it is, TradeDNA will pay you a recurring commission, not just a one-time bounty for being able to be a part of its referral program. Now, when you decide to become an affiliate, it's very simple. All you have to do is click apply, and within 24 hours, you'll be accepted into the program. Now, we already have multiple different platforms that we're partnered up with, and if there's any recommendations as well, you can obviously send us an email. Now, from here, you'll be able to see the dashboard from the starter pack, pro pack, and quant pack. If you would like all the details on what's included on each pack, they're available on the main website, where you'll be able to see the $22 a month. On the yearly pack, what does it include, which is usually $264 a year, and also the pro pack, which is $468 a year, or it comes out on a discount at $39 a month, or the quant pack, which is $946 a year, and then obviously $79 a month. You'll be able to see what the difference is on the yearly. Again, monthly, it's the same thing, just a little bit higher. So what the difference would be on the 27 a month, 47, and then 97. And then with this tool here, you'll be able to see the main core difference. So whether you have a community of, like, let's just say 200 people on the starter pack annually, you're looking at about an additional 17,000 a year. Okay, on the pro pack of 250 referrals, let's do that because that's like a basis here. About 35,000 a year. And then on the quant pack, even $71,000 a year. Now, on a monthly basis, you're looking at already just with 250 referrals, $7,000 a month on the quant pack, all the way to $3,000 a month, and then obviously $2,000 a month on the starter pack. Now, what makes this interesting, obviously, is we've all had communities of dozens, if not hundreds of people. I've had a community myself of well over 1,000 people here, and I was getting paid, I think, about less than 3%. As an affiliate before. So the starter pack here, even with the $27 a month, man, you're still making, $8,000 a month. With a pro pack, over 14,000, and even quant about $30,000 a month residually here. And the annually gets even crazier here, right? So obviously you can go in here and even just, bare minimum, I believe that it's easy to get communities here involved as well. Very simple, grows in commission. And there's special bonuses and incentives that you can tune into that will help you alongside with this. Now, everybody, when they do get involved as an affiliate, you do come in on the bronze pack, then you move over to silver, then you move on to gold for the lifetime residual income and commission. So if that's something that you're interested in also as well for additional features, or unless you're on a specific deal, then obviously everybody starts here. And obviously the payouts are very simple. There is no holding period. You're paid out on a daily basis. And then you're given a dashboard here where you're able to get access to all your links, all your signups, all your trials, and users that are paying in real life time. So you'll be able to track it in your own back office. So like we always said, all you have to do is apply to get approved. From there, in 24 hours, you'll get your affiliate link, be able to share with your community, and earn every single month. If there's any questions, you can feel free to send us an email. And again, your audience is already trading, so you might as well get paid for it.